Hey guys, Mike here. So I thought I would show you how I changed the filters on the domestic water coming into the building. I have a bypass right now because the pumps were having a hard time pumping up to the roof tank. My discharge pressure was 120. Usually it's 80 when it runs. The reason all the insulation is off here is because these check valves, one of them is bad. So tomorrow the pump company is coming to change both check valves. Atlas Pump Repair. Also, I didn't show you guys, but the whole boiler room has been painted. I mean, it's a little messy now because of the water, but everything has been painted all nice, all the yellow. I just have to paint this white or whatever, and you know, I painted that, and once that insulation's cleaned up, we'll vacuum all that and paint that. So, also, this here is new. We tapped in off the return hot water, which I'm bleeding out right now because the tank level got low, so I'm getting out of the air the hot water return so people can have hot water. We tapped off of that, came over here, and if we open this, it'll feed hot water to the outside hose. So when we hose the sidewalks, it's easier to get the dog pee and dog poop off the sidewalk and the salt in the winter. So these are the domestic water filters, and right now I'm just putting the rest of them in. And you just drop them over these rods like that. Actually, that one missed the rod. There we go. Drop them on the rods like that, and then these go on top, and then a metal plate sits on top of these and compresses them down. And the pumps push through these filters up to the tank. Now I'm guessing the reason they didn't have them on the suction side from the water main is because they didn't want the pumps to run dry in case there was an issue with water. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm guessing that's what it probably was. So that's why they didn't put it on the suction side. Because so why didn't they put it on the suction side? Back there goes one of the pumps now. Just turn on, so it's good. All right, now all the filters are in place. Now I'll finish putting these guys on. All right. Sorry about the weird camera angle. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Fuck. All right, let me go. This is getting crazy. Well, there you go. A little ingenuity, and I fished it out. Okay. Okay, so that's the top plate. You put that on, it compresses down those springs, turn that nut, and then you bring this guy back into place. You just gotta line them up. And to drop them down, again, let me do this one-handed. You turn this that way, and then this guy will lower down. And then you bring these guys up and tighten all these down, and you're done. All right, lid's back on. We're bled out, and pump's running. Pressure's good. That's where it's supposed to be. Not at 120, 80. That's when it's running normally through the filters. We've got good pressure. Yeah, we're okay. I'd snug this guy up with a smaller wrench here. No leaks. It's good. So far, so good. That's water from when this was squirting out water because you bleed out most of the air with that guy. But yeah, that's how you change the filters. I'm going to show you guys the old filters. These are the old filters here. You can see how dirty they are. Basically black compared to the new ones. So one of these books here, just log in the date you change the filters. And that's that. That's how you change the, me changing domestic water filters. Thanks for watching. Mike out.